You rolling? Portland cruise team makes a detour here at St. Patrick Hospital in Missoula, Montana. As the Portland cruise team makes its way north to Glacier National Park, the roads outside of Missoula take one of the team members down. A fast moving car clips us as we cross the road. Dealing with a tib-fib fracture in my left ankle. I should be in the hospital for another day, and then I have about 6 weeks no weight, and after that I should start being able to slowly get walking on it again. So the Portland cruise team for now takes a break from the Portland to Portland tour, but it is not gone, and we will be back. Until next time.